fleeting is to transient as blank. So we have to take these two words, find a relationship between them, and then apply it to our answer options and see which also have this relationship. So just looking at fleeting and transient, I know both terms are talking about short-term, temporary things. So the relationship I could say is that they're both synonyms. Synonyms. So now given this, we're going to look at our answer options and see which are also synonyms. So we'll start off with apathetic is to compassionate. And apathetic is talking about a lack of emotions, whilst compassion is the opposite, talking about having empathy and emotions. So as their opposites, we can take them out. The second is fierce is to captivating, and fierce is talking about an aggressive power or nature. Whilst captivating is also talking about power, it's talking about being interesting or charming. So we'll take it out as well. The third is palatable is to agreeable. And palatable is talking about something having a good palate or tasty, but another way of saying it is that your stomach agrees with it. And agreeable is obviously talking about you agree with it, you accept it, and it's normally pleasant. So we'll leave it on the side. The next is governing is to domineering, and both of them are talking about ruling and controlling. So again, we'll leave it blank. And the last is adept is to unaccomplished. And adept is being skillful and proficient, whilst unaccomplished is not having achieved your goals and probably without skill. So as it's an opposite, we'll take it out too. So we're left with two options here. Palatable is to agreeable and governing is to domineering. And I want to point out that palatable and agreeable are both positive and heading in the same direction. Whilst governing is considered positive, but domineering isn't. It's excessive control, where you're asserting your authority and people generally don't want it. So as they disagree in this way, I'm going to cross out governing is to domineering, so our final answer is palatable is to agreeable.